These wall sconces have really changed the mood of the bedroom. And you can install them. Don't need an electrician. They're battery powered and they're gorgeous. Now let me walk you through the installation process. Step number 1, you're going to remove these two little nuts to expose the mounting bracket. Voila. After 1, step 2. Take the stem out of the plastic. You're going to remove the wing nut. Take the base. Tighten back on that wing nut. And we're ready for step 3. Take that mounting bracket. Find some studs. If you got anchors, I got plaster. We're just throwing screws in there. Step number 4. You're going to take the full assembly. Take your two little gold nuts. Tighten them up. Make sure that shaft is nice and straight. Step 5, and the final step. Take that nut, take your milky ball, grab the light bulb. It's magnetic. Just stick it in there. Boom. You did it. Pat yourself on the back. Now check out the features. We got bright white, warm white, daylight. You got 12 different colors, 28 hours of battery life. Look at all the moods you could be set in. It's got a strobe effect, a smooth transition. We got timing. You can really set the mood in any room. You can have a party or you can read your book at night. These lights really do it all. Get yourself a pair right now.